guys, welcome to a very beautiful house here in Sitio Combado, Bateria del Montayan, Cebu. This is an amazing house of Ma'am Sising. It's right next to the road. The house is full of plants, and here are the yellow bells. I love yellow bells. Showing you her house because it is so full of plants, ornamental plants. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sising, for this opportunity to showcase your house, which is so full of beautiful flowers. Here is her bougainvillea. So these are the plants along her along the wall of her house. So nice. You can see that the owner loves plants. It's a well taken care of house. And the ornamental plants are well placed. And here is a champagne tree. This is called a champagne tree because of its shape. Bottle shape, like a champagne bottle. Love the yellow bells. Her garden is full of colorful flowers. newly opened mountain resort in Calapi, Daan, Bantayan. We passed this road many times before, but it's our first time to see the billboard on the entrance road towards the resort. We inquired, then we found out it was only opened last March 2024. Our excitement grew. Besides being located on the next barangay where our lot was located, we are always interested
There's
to
a
see
welcome
new
arc
sights
upon
in the
entering
area.
the main gate. This is a sprawling 2-hectare property and construction is still going on for other amenities. We were greeted by a lady who so graciously showed us around. I think she's the manager of the resort if I'm not mistaken. Coming out of the trellis, you see white buildings or villas on the right for guests. There were guests with children occupying when we were there, and beautiful blooming flowers all around. Of course, it adds beauty to the place. The pathway leads to the big swimming pool. The pool has a covered area that gives shade while guests continue swimming. We were told the lights are beautiful at night time. Beside the pool is a resting area where one can bring food and eat, and the native huts are rented out at 1,600 pesos per night, if I'm not mistaken, with a breakfast, with free breakfast for 2 days. A children's play area is still under construction. Okay, guys, check out the place when you're in the Bantayan area. The staff are so welcoming and accommodating.